Ever wondered how your camera transforms a moment into a lasting memory? Let's dive into the fascinating world of photography and discover how cameras actually work. It's simpler than you might think. Picture this. Every time you take a photo, you're capturing a slice of light and time. But how does your camera do this magic? Let's break it down step by step. First, it all starts with light. When you're looking at something beautiful and press that shutter button, light from the scene travels through your camera's lens. Think of the lens as the eye of your camera. It's made up of several pieces of specially shaped glass that work together to focus the light, just like how your own eyes focus on what you're looking at. The light then travels through your camera's aperture, which is like the pupil of your eye. It can get bigger or smaller to control how much light enters the camera. This is why photographers can take pictures in bright sunlight or dim evening light. Next comes one of the most crucial parts, the sensor. In old cameras, this used to be film, but in modern digital cameras, it's an electronic sensor. This amazing piece of technology is covered in millions of tiny light-sensitive spots, each one ready to capture a specific point of light from your scene. When light hits these spots, they convert it into electrical signals. It's like having millions of tiny solar panels, each one capturing a different part of your image. But we're not done yet. These electrical signals are then processed by your camera's built-in computer. This computer is like a master artist, taking all those individual points of light and combining them into the final image you see. It adjusts the colors, makes sure the exposure is right, and can even help reduce blur if your hands were a bit shaky. Finally, your camera saves all this information as a digital file, and voila, you've just captured a moment in time. Whether it's a stunning sunset, a family portrait, or your pet doing something adorable, your camera has transformed light into a lasting memory in just a fraction of a second. Pretty amazing, right? The next time you take a picture, remember that you're not just pressing a button. You're conducting an orchestra of light, using some of the most sophisticated technology we've ever created. Keep snapping those photos, and who knows, maybe you'll capture something extraordinary.